Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer, Divan Ososoko. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did frequency separation on this image here, which I got online. So I'm not going to say much, so let's just get to it. So at first, what I actually did, I actually used my action in doing the frequency separation. So I'm just going to, first of all, I'm just going to duplicate this background layer and have a layer 1 copy. So I'll just get to my action, click on frequency separation 8-bit. So I'm just going to hit it. So once I do that, it's going to take me to where I can input the Gaussian blur. If you actually want this my action, just drop on the comment section that you're interested in getting it. I'll tell you the way you go about getting it. So once I do that, I'll just input my ratio for the Gaussian blur depending or according to how I want the image to be sharp. So I just think 7 is okay, or I use 6. Let me say 6 is fine. So I'm just going to hit my OK. Once I do that, it's actually going to load to this, which I have the low frequency and the high frequency. Of course, you know that the low frequency is for the skin tone and the skin color, while the high frequency is for the skin texture. So firstly, I'm just going to select the high frequency. Why I normally do this is according to how you see it. Why I normally do this is so I can pick the blemishes from the image. So I'm just going to select my clone stamp. Then I like using the high frequency layer to pick the texture because it actually gives me a nice result with no scar on the image face. So I'm just going to fix this, pick it one by one. You can actually take your time while doing this. So I'm just going to take this bit by bit, one after the other. You can see the video won't be too long, so I'm just rushing to show you guys how to do frequency separation, which won't take enough time as normal or doing it manually. So if you are interested getting the action, you just drop on the comment section that you are interested for it. So I'll just show you where and how to go in getting it. So I'm just going to pick the blemishes one after the other. So I don't want scars on the image face. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to come back to the low frequency layer. I'm going to pick my mixer brush. I have the weight at 30, load at 30, mix at 30, flow at 35. So I'm just going to zoom in. Then I'll start brushing. So you need to be careful while brushing, so you won't mix the highlights with the shadows. So you just have to be extremely careful. But I actually drop a video on how to use the mixer brush, so just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe for that. So you just brush it, take your time and brush it through. And if you are a beginner in Photoshop, and when I said you don't have to mix the highlight and the shadows, the highlight is actually the bright part of this, which is here is also the highlight, and here as well, and also the nose, this line on the nose. When I talk about the shadows, it's the dark part of this image, just like this part of it, and this. So you don't have to, if I do like this, you see I'm actually mixing everything together, so it's not giving a good result of it. So I'm just going to undo that. So when brushing, you need to be very careful so you won't mix the highlights and the shadows at the same time. So you try to blend the highlights and the shadows, not painting everything together or mixing it together. So I'll just be brushing it. So you take your time. Take your time while brushing. You can see the part I picked the blemishes. You see there is no much on it, so after brushing I'll just get back and picking the remaining ones depending on how I want the image to be. So I'm just going to paint through this part. So you can see the before and after of it. So this is the highlight here. Separate it and try to blend it. Sorry guys. So you just try to blend it, not making everything that much. So you can see the before and after of it. So guys, this is actually how I came about to edit this image, like actually to do the frequency separation on it. So it's nothing much. After creating the first layer down, I actually clicked on my action, it slowed, and I started brushing. You can see my mixer brush settings, so I picked the blemishes and did it one after the other. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and drop a comment, and also to subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace.